In this video, I'm going to show you a very powerful scalping strategy. This easy scalping strategy is able to generate unbelievable results. This strategy could potentially grow your small account with practices. First of all, open the tradingview.com website. This strategy was originally used for gold and commodities, but I tested it with crypto, Forex and indices. It worked fine for Forex and crypto, but not indices. I will be backtesting on XRP USDT currency pair. Next, for now, I will be setting the time to 5 minutes because this time frame generates more signals. But do note that this indicator works for other time frames shown as well. Step 1 is to add indicators into our chart. I will be using 3 free TradingView indicators. The first indicator is ADXDI by Backtest. The name for this indicator is average directional index and directional indicator. ADX is used to measure the strength of a trend and DI is to identify the actual direction. During a strong uptrend, ADX rises. Similarly, during a strong downtrend, ADX also rises. Hence, ADX doesn't differentiate between up and down trend. After understanding the basic of ADX, let's learn how to use it. First, for the ADX line, let's change it to yellow. For the threshold line, let's make it visible and also change it to yellow. The threshold, this one, the middle one is the threshold line. Some traders will use 20 and some traders will use 25. Let's use 25. For buy signals, let's look for the ranging area or the area where the ADX line is below 25. Next, when the ADX line crosses above 25 and the positive DI, the green color line, is above the negative DI, the red color line, I will enter a buy position here where the conditions are met and make profit. For a sell signal, ADX line must be above 25 and negative DI must be greater than positive DI. Once the rules are met, you could also make amazing profits without any problem. However, ADX and DI indicator alone has huge drawbacks, such as having many false signals on lower time frames. One such false signal including joining the trend when it ends. So, 2 more indicators will be added to filter out the fake signal. Click on the indicator tab. Type exponential, moving average. Click on it and add the second indicator to your chart. On the search bar, type volume and click on the volume to add the regular volume indicator into your chart. Step number 2 is to tune the indicators. First, the TH line is set back to 25 for ADX and DI indicator, but let's make the ADX line more visible. The settings for exponential moving average is set from 9 to 200. Make the line thicker. For the volume, add a moving average to it. Change the line color to orange. Tune the MA from 20 to 30. After tuning the indicators, let me teach you how to use them. First, change the time frame to 5 minutes since it has more signals. Second, the price must be above the 200 EMA to indicate that it's on a strong uptrend. For the ADX, it must be above 25 since this is a trend indicator, and the positive DI green color line must be above the negative DI red color line. The next condition is that the volume histogram must be green in color and close above the moving average. So from the chart we can see that there's this candle where the volume goes above and also the second one is here and both is above the 25. So I will take a long position on this candle instead because the stop loss is lower. Alright, so the long position will be here and the take profit is 1.5 to 2, okay, as usual, and the stop loss is set below the 200 EMA line. For a sell signal, let's change the time frame to 15 minutes. Next, the price must be below 200 EMA to indicate that we are on a strong downtrend, and to confirm this, the ADX line must be above the 25. Okay. Next, for sell signal is to find the negative DI, which is the red line, must be above the green color line. The last condition is for the volume histogram, it needs to close bearish and above the moving average. So I'll take a sell on this candle, second candle, with a stop loss you can set above the 200 EMA or above the previous swing high. The target is 1 to 2 or when the candle goes green color. Okay. Since this is scalping strategy, let's set the stop loss as tight as possible for a better risk reward. Next, let's switch the time frame to daily to test on replay market condition. First of all, the ADX line must be above 25. Now we have gone above 25. Next, since we are following the trend, the price needs to be below 200 EMA. Okay, so and the next condition is for the volume to be red and close above the moving average. So this should be my sell candle. And the stop loss is above the previous swing high or 200 EMA. And target is back to this support of 1 to 2, okay? Let's see what happens next. Look, the price almost hit our stop loss. But in the end, the price magically hit our TP. The win rate for this strategy on commodities and crypto are 67%, but it is only 50% when tested on indices.
Subscribe and ring the bell.
Stay safe and invest safely.